Welcome back to What We Eat, Kato. Today we're gonna have Bobby's Burger by Bobby Flay. I'm at the New Orleans Casino. We're gonna try this out, bruh. For $15, it better smack. Juicy, tender. Look at that. Burger's really good. Bro, I don't even like burgers. I'm just a hot dog person. You see we in the same territory with it. I know I've done a video in a minute, y'all. It's my fault. Been going through life, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. I'm human. Look at this burger. Till next time.